Subtraction of bigger 5-digit numbers with carryover.
What are you doing, Maggie?
I am doing subtraction of 5-digit number.
Okay, do you know how to solve this?
Yes, I know.
Can you teach me?
Sure, dear. Let us take two numbers, 96,365 and 65,626. We first place the number one below to the other number in place value table. Now subtract units place. But here 5 is less than 6, so we cannot subtract it. So we borrow from the tens place. So tens is reduced by 1 and units place is increased by 10. Hence it becomes 15 ones. Now we subtract 6 from 15. What do we get, Annie?
We get 9.
Now subtract tens, that is 5 minus 2.
We get 3 tens, Maggie.
Yes, Annie. Now subtract hundreds. Again we cannot subtract 6 from 3. So we borrow from the thousands place and it becomes 13. Now subtract 6 from 13 and we get 7. Place it in hundreds place. Now what do?
We subtract thousands now.
Yes, subtract thousands. That is 5 minus 5, which gives 0. Now subtract 10,000s. That is 9 minus 6, which gives 3. So our answer is 30,739. Got it, Annie?
Yes, I got it. Thank you, Maggie.
You are welcome, Annie.